Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Do you ever have painter's block when you don't know what you want to do but you want to paint? Well, I had that with this one. I looked at my paint shelf with all my beautiful paints on there and I just couldn't think of anything that I wanted to paint. So what I did was I pulled out all my leftover paints that have been sitting on my shelf for quite some time and that probably should be used up before they turn bad. The colours are mainly global colours. The orange is my outrageous orange. The red would be my cool red. That yellow is actually a TLP Submarine, and that white is Whitehaven from TLP. So what I decided to do, as you can see, I got my balloon and my trusty balloon, which always gives me joy, and blew it up and decided to do some very slow balloon kisses. I had no idea of the composition, which probably may have been a bad idea, but I just decided to smush my balloon around and see how I went. The results were beautiful, and in the end I'm actually quite happy with it, and it didn't sink and it didn't change. Considering the paints were quite thin, it worked out quite well. I have also put in here some passionate purple, which is also a custom colour I've made out of my global colours, and you'll see that later on. I did have gold out to use in this, but I ended up not using it at all. So I hope you enjoy this video. Sit back, relax and enjoy. It's only a short one, I apologise, but it actually turned out really pretty, and I now have an idea for a bigger version. Thank you to all my faithful viewers that come every Sunday and join me in the preview and the chat. It's really nice to see you all there every week, so thank you. And I'm going to leave you now, guys, with some music, and I hope you enjoy. Oh, don't you just love those reactions? That reaction came from the Whitehaven in the TLP. I don't know what it did, but it behaved like a pearl paint. So yeah, it was fun. That's why I'm going to try this again. I'll leave you guys with some music now, and hope you enjoyed this video and have a great day, and I'll see you soon. I just want to say a huge congratulations to Nathan at the Fine Art of Distraction. He's a good friend of mine and many others who watch this channel and his channel. He has hit 1,000 subscribers and we couldn't be happier for you, Nathan. Well deserved. If you haven't seen his channel, go over and check it out. He's very passionate about what he does, and he certainly expresses that with his celebrations in his artwork. So make sure you go check him out. He's worth the watch. And congratulations, Nathan. You deserve it.